Ciao Dollface, it's Kat here, and today we're gonna dye my hair again. I know I'm not in my usual hair dyeing shirt, so it's a little bit off, but I honestly cannot find it right now. My life has been such a mess this past month. So we're just gonna wear this shirt this time, and hopefully next time I'll have my hair dyeing shirt back. But we are going to change from this white blonde Daenerys Targaryen realness that I have been having. Literally, I mean, like, I've been feeling it. I've been calling myself Khaleesi. It's been great. I've been happy to have that green gone because as pretty as the green was, it took forever to leave my hair. I literally thought I was going to be neon green for life because this green would not leave. Like, it was just stuck. I had to do so much work and so much color fix and all the vitamin C and like baking soda and all those tricks, but here we are, we're blonde again, and I'm about to do myself all over with a new color because I'm bored with this blonde. Like, as much as it's fun being Khaleesi, I need to change my hair constantly, and I took it to a Instagram poll to decide if I should keep it this or should I go this next color, and the peach one. I am super excited about this hair color. I bought this a while back and I haven't done it yet because I've been saving it for like spooky season because I thought this like orangey color would look so cute for Halloween. So we're gonna do Lime Crime's unicorn hair and neon peach. I am gonna dilute it quite a bit because I don't know if I'm fully committed to this much orange, but I am very excited because I used to have peachy hair all the time and I miss it. And let's just see what happens, guys. We're gonna dye my hair. First things first, we gotta brush it. This is my least favorite thing to do because I have the worst hair ever. It is so thick and wavy and just wants to knot at every turn. So let me brush it real quick. I won't make you guys watch because it's painful. Alright guys, so my hair is all combed out, and yes, I know it looks obnoxious and crazy, but this is just what it does. This is what I live with. I deal with it every day. Okay guys, so I am all brushed out and my hair is looking like a fluffy cloud right now. It literally just looks crazy. It's like a cheap Rhapsody wig, honestly. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on our gloves because we wanna make sure we keep our hands free from getting stained because no one likes a stain on their hands. So I'm just gonna go in and get those gone. We're gonna go take our conditioner, and I made sure I got conditioner this time, unlike last time where it was shampoo. And we're just gonna start pouring it into a bowl. And you wanna just pour as much as you think you would need to cover your head. I use almost I use like 3/4 of the container because I have a lot of hair. Smell it first because Lime Crime hair dye just smells so good. Oh my god. One of the best scented hair dyes. I don't even know if you're supposed to smell it, but I love it. And I'm just gonna take a spoon and I'm just gonna put, let's do like 2 spoonfuls in here. I don't know if I really need 3. I know I said 3, but I think I'm just gonna do 2 spoonfuls. Maybe a little, half of them. We'll do 2.5, there we go. And you see, like, there's still plenty in this container, enough to go around, enough to keep smelling. So if I wanted to do this hair color again, I could. And also, like, if I want to do more with it, like, it's always there if I need it. And I'm just gonna mix it with this conditioner and make sure it's completely mixed through so we get all that saturation and all that dye. This is really what it helps to do. Like, it helps you see what color you're gonna have. And ooh, I'm already liking this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be pretty. I am excited. You wanna try to do like a white conditioner as well because it'll help you see the color better. I know I don't know if I've mentioned that before, but that would definitely help. This is like so satisfying, just. I think I'm actually gonna add just a tiny bit more of the peach in. I think that's what we're gonna do, just a little bit more. I want just a little bit more brighter just because I am gonna be trying to keep this for the month and I wanna just make sure it lasts for a couple washes. Literally, like, the smell of the unicorn hair and the coconut like conditioner I use, just, it's beautiful. Like, my hair smells so nice for days. Which helps because I only wash it once a week. Alright, so now that your mixture is all mixed up, you're gonna start applying it to the hair. I use my hands because I'm a heathen and I'm just using a brush takes too long for me. Yeah, I'm not a real hairdresser, guys. I'm sorry. I just like dyeing my hair. And I like to work through it like section at a time. So I just go through and I just make sure it's just really getting in there. And I really want to saturate like every piece. And then once you have your entire head saturated, you are just going to wrap it up on top of your head. Get all that hair up. And probably shouldn't take your gloves off before this, but whatever. And I just wrap it all up on top of my head. I take a bag and tie it over my hair to make sure I don't get dye everywhere. And then I'm just gonna clean off my face with whatever rag or paper towel I have, and I'll see you when it's all rinsed out and done. Okay, so I left it in my hair for about an hour and then I rinsed it out, and literally it is so bright and vibrant and I love it so much. I feel so freaking cute right now. Like, I'm obsessed. I am literally obsessed. Like, it's so freaking bright, and like I know it's a neon peach, but like how orange does this look? Like, I feel like a cute little pumpkin. I'm living my Hayley Williams like realness. Like, hi, hello, I'm Kat. I have peach hair now. Literally every time I dye my hair I get more and more conceited sounding. I'm so sorry. I just like, a fresh dye just makes you feel so good about yourself, honestly. Like, hi, hello. And like my hair feels good. Like, I feel no problems. Like, I'm completely happy with this. People were complimenting on it and they're like, wow, like usually I see people with colored hair and it looks bad up close, but yours looks good. I was like, thank you. Thank you. So someone called me Wendy today, like from Wendy's, and I was like, that's red. What? But it's whatever, because I still feel super, super cute right now. Like, hi, I'm living my best life. I am a cute pumpkin for October. Oh my god, this is gonna look so cute with some of my looks I have planned. Like, hi, I'm neon, I'm vibrant, I'm cute, what's up? Hi. Like, I'm just feeling it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I would just be so rad of you guys. And like, let me know what other colors you'd like to see me do down below in the comments, because I'm always open for opinions about my hair. I really just like, I love changing it. I love color. Give it to me. I love colors a lot. And I've been really feeling all these neons lately. Like, who was that pastel girl before? Because neon is here. Thank you guys so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!